Hello, I'm Ski4566. Today I decided to try the Big Mac, the chicken Big Mac. Let's see what this all about. I didn't even get it fried, but see what this tastes like. Wow, it's big too. It's not bad. Not bad at all. I rate it a 9 out of 10. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Nine out of 10. So, if y'all at McDonald's and you like Big Macs and you like the Big Mac sauce, you know, get this chicken Big Mac a try. Because the, regular Big Mac is good anyway, but if you like that type of stuff, give it a try. Y'all have a good day. God bless.